Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram professional. Very easy, very simple. I'm gonna show you how to switch the account type in just 2 clicks. Let's dive in. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner and click on your profile picture. Then I want you to click on the 3 straight lines on the top right. When you're at settings menu, I want you to hit on settings and privacy. Then I want you to scroll down to the section for professionals. This section, I want you to click on business tools and controls. Now, this is where the magic happens, guys. I want you to scroll down to the section switch account type. When you click on it, you see you have 2 options to switch the account type from. Currently, I'm having a business account, but as you can see, I can essentially switch to personal account or I can switch to creator account. For example, if I essentially switch back to personal account, I will be able to switch back to professional. If you want to create a brand new professional account, you can simply click over here, add new professional account. This simply will allow you to run multiple professional accounts through the same page. But essentially, guys, this is how you make your Instagram account professional from creator or from personal. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.